Suppose the topic is work. Suppose a body here at A, it is in rest position. It is in rest. It is not changing its place with a immediate surrounding with a time. But the body is in rest, right? Now, if a force is applied on it, a force F is applied on it. A force F is applied on it, and the body moves or covers a certain distance in the direction of the force. In the direction of the force. The body moves from here A to B, and it covers a distance S in the direction of the force applied. It is said to be work done by force. Work done by force means what? When a force is applied on a body and the body covers some distance in the direction of force. It is called work done by force, or said to be work done by force. So work equal to, the formula for work is equal to force into displacement. Displacement in the direction of the force. In the direction of force. In higher classes when you will go, you will get the formula for work. Work is equal to Fs cos theta. F is the force applied, S is the displacement, and cos theta. Theta is what? The angle between force and the displacement. So this is the actual formula for work done is Fs cos theta. That you will learn in higher classes, but in 9th class up to your standard, just remember force work done is equal to force into displacement, and displacement should be in the direction of the force. Okay. When the work done will be zero. When the work done will be zero. You see, the work is equal to Fs cos theta, or work is equal to force into displacement. Both the formula just try to understand. The work is the product of three terms: force, displacement, and cos theta. Here the work is equal to product of force and displacement. As I told you that force is applied, so either one, if force is zero, then total product will be zero, work will be zero. Displacement is zero, then the total product will be zero, work done will be zero. If cos theta equal to zero, then the total product will be zero, work will be zero. Come to this formula. Work done, when in which condition the work will be zero, work done will be zero. If the force is zero, of course the product will be zero and work will be zero. Or displacement is zero, then work done will be zero. But we don't take this, consider this force is zero, because until we will not apply the force, there will be no displacement. So we will ignore that force equal to zero. If after applying, in spite of applying a force, big force, big force we are applying on a body, and if the body does not cover any distance, there is no displacement in the body, then the work done will be zero. For example, if I put a force, if I push a wall from morning to evening, how long big force I will apply on the wall, but wall, I will not be able to displace the wall by even a single inch. So I can say that there will be no, or there is no work done. Work done is zero. So this is primary condition for work zero is what? After applying the force, if the body is not changing its position, if there is no displacement in the body, if the displacement is zero, work done is zero.